Hey everyone, preparing for G can feel overwhelming, but what if I told you there's a way to make it simple, efficient, and fun? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to use ChatGPT to create concise notes, elaborate topics, and even access previous year's questions, PYQs. Ready? Let's dive in. Your first step is to download the official JEE syllabus. Now, open ChatGPT, your new study buddy. Here's the fun part. Paste the specially designed prompt into ChatGPT. Don't worry if you're unsure. You'll find the exact prompt in the video description below. Got a specific topic or subject you want to focus on? No problem. Edit the subject section of the prompt to match what you're studying today. For example, if you're studying chemistry, just type in the relevant subject. Pay close attention here. Watch the video carefully to see how to tweak the syllabus section in the prompt to fit your needs. This is a critical step that ensures you get accurate and relevant notes. Once you've made the changes, hit enter and let ChatGPT work its magic. In just seconds, you'll have well-organized, concise notes for the topics you selected. Imagine saving hours of time that you'd usually spend making notes by hand. Need to go deeper into a topic? ChatGPT has you covered. Just ask it to elaborate. For instance, if you want to dive into matter and its nature, type that in. Within moments, ChatGPT will provide you with a detailed explanation that's easy to understand. Here's a bonus tip. ChatGPT doesn't just stop at notes. It can also provide previous year's questions, PYQs, for any topic you choose. This is perfect for practice and understanding how concepts are applied in exams. Using ChatGPT simplifies your study process, saves time, and ensures you focus only on what's important. Whether you're revising or tackling new topics, it's a game changer for JEE prep. In our upcoming videos, we'll explore more amazing tools and hacks that can make studying even more efficient and fun. From note-making techniques to problem-solving tricks, we've got you covered. So, if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. See you soon, and happy studying.